Wow, you got everything flexing, but
use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
well, you got a little extra room for the back, so you don't slam the subs on the seat.
Yeah, well, it's getting ready to come out. We put a 6 order in here.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
Wow, you did some work on this. You did all this?
Yeah, I did this stuff. I didn't build a box though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Looks really good. I'm gonna come in. So, what's your name, real quick, and what's in here?
Jone, and I got 415 ZBXs on the SKV2 4500. Got 2 of them back there. They wired it one on.
Okay.
Yeah, I got 2 subs on each one, and they game match.
All right.
Yep.
Got it. Nice. Are you happy with it? Or are you about to change it up now?
Yeah, because I want to be a little bit windy.
Windier.
So we're gonna do 615s of the 6 order.
Wow. Oh, you're gonna be way windier
With
then.
with the roofless 10Ks. Yep.
Okay. Yep.
Yep.
Nice. How big is your cubic space on the box now, if you remember?
I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. What's your bandwidth tuning, peak SPL, anything like that, you know?
Yeah, I peak at like 37.
37. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're probably not able to play lower than like 27, 26? Or
Yeah,
how low you play?
that's about how, that's
It is?
low.
Okay.
Yeah, that's about it. Yeah,
You're going to be playing down to 20 if you do the 6th.
Yeah, I'm going to do that's a 31 right here.
Okay.
That's the lowest it's going to go.
You got a lot of dynamite everywhere to try to stop the flex.
I got the itty bitty boom, 100 amp hour skip bank in here. With let me see, man, I went through so many alternators, I forgot which one I got on here now.
Like a 350 or a 400?
No, it's a 300.
Okay.
I'm trying to see what was
all right.
Brand X. It's a
Brand X.
Brand X
Okay.
300. Yep.
Awesome. Is everybody can see the back at all?
Yeah, it's open back there.
Okay.
All right.
Wow, you got everything flexing, but I'm sure you're about to go play. What's your goals on the low frequency when you go to the 6th order? What do you want to play down to?
I don't really even know. I'm new to this.
Okay.
I'm
Really?
just doing something.
Okay, all right, no worries. All good. I'll check out the back.
All right.
How you doing? What's up? Wow.
Let me find a folder. Let me see what the folder, man. That's a 26. Let me see what I got on there.
Okay.
Turn me up, can't turn me down. Cut the lights out. If you looking for me, I'll be at the party. Smoking that water.
pretty good in the mid to high 30s there. Response in it, and you can hear the lyrics with the music around. Oh yeah.